Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's our topic is group discussion about new entrepreneur venture. Observing the result of entrepreneur behavior and activity can be helpful in understanding entrepreneurship. Venues differ in their capacities and achieving dramatic leaps in a growth. The strategic approach and behavior of the entrepreneur or the team in new venture planning and initiation, as well as the behavior of the ongoing venture that can be start a new growth stage after business stabilization have common aspects. It is the conceptualized in the paper that is the common behavior reflects a transformational entrepreneur mode and venture in the characteristic entrepreneur venture. Entrepreneur venture can achieve radical growth in a short span of time relative of their existing position. It is proposed that this model of the strategic approach and behavior of venture applies to the individual, corporate, and collective entrepreneurship. This aim is to contribute to the understanding of the concerns of the entrepreneur activity given the small business and their large counterparts have different levels of the capacity for transforming into the entrepreneur vendors. A discussion of the entrepreneurs followed by the discussion of the entrepreneur mode in the next section. The third section examines the role of the franchisor and franchisee in the business format franchisee and explore their capacities and they are engaged to the exploration opportunity. The more bias towards to the management function to the film, the more of the film moves away from the begin entrepreneur venture and the more business strategies, the focus business strategies on entrepreneur functions pursuits of opportunity through innovation and new level creation and the growth. Entrepreneurship function as a source of sustainable competitive advantage. Survival growth emphasize beyond the management of economic resources and the strategic director and the operational effectiveness. The entrepreneurial mode are there are characteristics emphasize the entrepreneurial function of the organization which allow them a high potential for significant innovation, change, growth. Venture emphasize entrepreneurial function through the adoption of opportunity-driven entrepreneurial strategies, formula approaches, support by the value innovation logic for a high growth characteristics and being a state of entrepreneurial modes. Business strategies such as the division of labor, scientific management, re-engineering, strategy management reflect into the different school of strategy, formulation of management of enterprises. The tool directed to the operational effectiveness as well as strategic formulation guide management on how strategy should be formulated. The content, the process to be used, systematic process of planning, that is describe the ideal strategies of behavior and whether individuals, entrepreneurs are professional management of the entrepreneurships benefit from these tools are varying degree given the constraints imposed to the nature of the enterprise regarding of the feasibility of utilizing them regardless of the nature of the organization and its level of sophistication of the utilization of these tools our organization reaches a state where a change and strategic direction is needed. So you should focus on the entrepreneurship, how to get a business idea, how to make a problem, how to identify the qualities, your behavior, your business idea. It's matter of that. Thank you.